Hi, my name is Sam Ciccarello, and I'm the General Manager at Vigo Importing Company. Well, balsamic vinegar is a product that is well known now, but it's actually quite young in the United States. Balsamic vinegar itself has a history dating back to the Middle Ages. One thing that Vigo did uniquely was invented something called white balsamic vinegar. We actually had the patent on that product granted by the U.S. Patent Department. We perceived the need of a product that had similar characteristics to balsamic vinegar, but had a different color, so it wouldn't stain food and it would be more appropriate for things like chicken and fish. Our vinegar was imported from Italy, from the Modena region. We were on the vanguard of introducing this product to the United States. We import it and we age it in these wooden casks. These casks also were brought from Italy, and they once housed brandy. And the vinegar picks up the notes and the flavors from the wood, from the brandy. So it's an art and a science, similar to wine.